Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a side mirror on a 2016 Honda Fit. Start out by removing your door panel, and I've already made a video on how to do that. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Next, we're going to unplug the mirror by pushing on this tab right here in the plug and pulling out. And then pull this portion of the vapor barrier back, and you'll see this clip. This is part of the wire that's clipped into the door panel. You just want to take a small screwdriver and push on the tab and push it through, unclipping it from the door. And then just feed the wire, just kind of push it inside the door panel. And then take your same flathead and take off this large plug and then this smaller plug here on the side. And inside there, I don't know if you can see that someone put some green tape in there, but beside that green tape is 10mm nuts. Well, there's 3 of them, so there's 2 in here and there's 1 in here that needs to come out. Sometimes the nut doesn't want to come off with the socket, so if you have a magnet to help grab it, that can definitely help out. And while you're taking off the last one, I didn't say it while I was doing it, but before I took off the last nut, with my other hand I'm holding onto the mirror, just in case. Sometimes they'll fall out on you. And then just reach around with both hands. Pull out, and the mirror comes right out. Now, one thing to note when you're putting the mirror back in, let me see if I can show you here behind this vapor barrier. It's really hard to see, but inside here, right there. See if I can light it up for you guys. It's right inside here. It's the run channel. You can see it through this hole right here. It's the run channel for the window. So the run channel goes all the way down and through here. Now, when you go to reinstall it, make sure you take the wire that goes through the hole and run it behind, go down and run it behind this run channel in here, and then back up through this hole and then plug it in. If you just take it and run it in front of the run channel, the window will come down on the harness itself. So you're going to make sure to run it behind it. That way when you're moving the window, it's not going to hit the wires. But that's basically it, guys. That's how you take off the mirror. Thanks for watching.